Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about what the word inflation. First I am going to tell you how this word is pronounced. So it can be pronounced as inflation. Inflation. Uh, s- Now I'm going to tell you that what is the definition or what is the meaning of inflation. So, inflation is basically defined as a general increase in price and fall in the purchasing value of money is known as inflation. Now, I'm going to explain you each term that is used in in this definition. First, I'm going to tell you about that how increase in the price has happened and what is the meaning of purchasing value of money. So, as we all know that over the time, the price of most things, whether it is food, clothing, housing, fuel, education, and services, that tend to go up. This is called inflation. As we all know that the food that we used to eat in the last year doesn't cost the same today. So, over the time, the price of the things, whether it is food, clothes, has increased. Now, inflation is basically defined as that means a general increase in the price of goods and services over time, and that when the price of the thing, goods and services has increased, it can automatically reduce the purchasing power of money. Now, I'm going to explain you what does this means. For example, suppose a chocolate that cost rupees 10 today, but after 1 year, due to the increase in the due to the inflation, the same chocolate that earlier used to cost 10 rupees, but today it costs 12. This means that the inflation has happened. How the inflation has happened here? As because the price of the chocolate has increased from rupees 10 to rupees 12. So when there is an inflation happen, you need more money to buy the same things you used to buy for less money earlier. As you have seen here example that earlier you used to buy the same chocolate for rupees 10, but today you need extra 2 rupees to buy that same chocolates. Now what is purchasing power? So purchasing power is basically the ability of a money to buy goods and services. It tells you basically that how much you can buy from a certain amount of money. For example, if you are having a 10 rupees, then how many chocolates you are able to buy from that 10 rupees. That will basically tell you the purchasing power, your ability of money to buy goods and services. Now I'm going to give you one example of purchasing power here also. For example, if you have rupees 100 and you can buy 5 apples today, your purchasing power here is rupees 5. Not rupees 5, your purchasing power is 5. But when in the next month the price of the apple goes up and you can buy only 4 apples from that same amount of money. So here your purchasing power has decreased. How your purchasing power has decreased here? Because from the same amount of money, now you are able to buy one less apple. So your purchasing power has decreased here. So this is all about the inflation. I hope you all get clear about what is the meaning of inflation and with the help of the following examples. Thank you so much.